Is your brother printer showing an offline status and refusing to print? Don't worry, this is a common issue that can usually be fixed in just a few minutes. In this video, we'll walk you through 6 simple troubleshooting steps to help reconnect your brother printer and get it back online. Welcome to Print Smart Help. If you need instant support, you can call the number on your screen. Step 1. Make sure the printer is powered on and check for any error messages or warning lights. Step 2. Confirm that the printer is properly connected to your computer or network. Step 3. Set your brother printer as the default printer on your system. Step 4. Clear all pending print jobs from the print queue. Step 5. Check the printer status in the list of installed printers. Step 6. Verify that your brother printer is recognized in Device Manager. Like the video and subscribe for more printer fixes. If your printer is still showing errors after trying all the methods, call the helpline number shown on the screen for further assistance.